Demo time. In this demo, I am going to give a quick tour on Azure Storage Account and Azure Cosmos DB. In the first part of the demo, we are going to create an Azure Storage Account together. And in the second part of the demo, we will create an Azure Cosmos DB instance. Let's get started. Okay, I am logged into the Azure portal, and we are going to start by provisioning an Azure Storage Account. Click on All Services and search for Storage, and click on Storage Account. As you can see, I already bookmarked storage accounts to the left-hand side menu. Let's click on that, and I'm going to click on Add. So here, you need to specify which subscription you need to put your storage account in. I am going to create a new resource group for this demo, and let's name it NoSQL RG. Click on OK. In the next step, I need to choose a name for my storage account. I will name it NoSQL Storage Demo 01, and I'm going to create this storage account in East US. In the next step, you can choose the performance for your storage account. You can choose between standard and premium. So if you choose standard tier, your data will be saved in magnetic hard drives. If you choose the premium tier, your data will be stored in SSD drives. Let's leave it to standard. In the next step, you need to choose the account kind. And as you can see, I can choose between general purpose V2, general purpose V1, and the blob storage. We will talk about these kinds in the next module. It is recommended to choose the storage V2 for general use cases. So let's click on that. And for the replication, I can choose between 6 different options. I am going to leave it as locally redundant storage, which is the cheapest option. And for the access tier, you can choose between cool and hot. As the name suggests, the cool will be used for cold data and mostly for archiving purposes. I'm going to leave the default, which is hot. Let's click on Advanced, and we are not changing anything here. Let's click on Tags, Review plus Create, and as you can see, the validation passed, so I can simply click on Create, and let's wait for the provisioning to finish. Okay, my deployment is complete. Clicking on Go to Resource, and I am landed into the overview page of my new storage account. So as you remember, you can use 4 different storage types under the storage account umbrella. Let's scroll down. The first one is blobs. If I click on that, I can create a new container and start uploading blobs. The other storage type is the file storage. If I click on that, I can create a new file share. Same goes with the tables under the table services. So if I click on that, I have the option to create a new table. And finally, if I click on queues, I can click on the plus and create a new queue. We will look into storage accounts in more details in the next module. So now let's go ahead and provision a new Cosmos DB instance. As you can see, I already bookmarked Cosmos DB on the left-hand side, but I can always click on All Services and search for Cosmos and click on Cosmos DB. So let's click on Add, and I'm going to put my new Cosmos DB account in the same resource group I created for my storage account. So let's select that, scroll down, and I'm going to name this account Cosmos DB Demo Reza. And here I can choose an API for my Cosmos DB account. And as you can see, I have the option of choosing Core, MongoDB, Cassandra, Azure Table, and Graph API. I am going to leave it as the Core SQL API. Scroll down. For the location, I am going to choose East US, and I'm going to leave geo-redundancy and multi-region rights as disabled. Let's click Next. I am not going to touch networking at this time. Tags, Review plus Create. My validation passed, so I simply click on Create. And let's wait for the provisioning to complete. Okay, looks like the deployment is complete. This deployment took about 5 minutes. Let's go ahead and check it out. So let's click on Data Explorer, and as you can see, my database is empty at the moment. We are going to work with Data Explorer in the next modules. Before concluding the demo, let's go ahead and do a bit of cleanup. Click on the storage accounts, click on the storage account we created, and delete it. And here I need to type the name of the storage account to confirm deletion. The deletion cannot be undone. click on delete. Let's go ahead and delete the instance of Cosmos DB as well. Let's click on that and delete account. And let's confirm the deletion by putting the account name and clicking on delete. And this concludes our demo. Thanks very much.